Okay? I can listen and follow. Ganito. I can listen and follow. Okay. Once again, I can listen and follow. Okay. For our next is, I can keep my body calm and ready. Our hands is on our me. Okay. I can keep my body calm and ready. Okay. And I can do things the right way. Ganito siya. I can do things the right way.
Dalawa dapat.
Yan. And for our next is, today I will do my best. Ayan. Ulit. Okay? Kayo lang yung gagawa. Paano yung I can listen and follow? Follow. Yan. Very good. I can keep my body calm and ready. I can do things the right way. Okay. Today, I will do my best. Okay. Okay, Nick Ruben, squad? Goodbye. Ayan. Sit na po because we are going to watch